In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to know if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, try sending them a message. Open WhatsApp, go to the chat, type your message and hit the send icon. If a message always shows just one tick and never turns into two, it's a strong sign they might have blocked you. Next, check their profile photo and info. Tap on their name at the top of the chat. If you can't see their profile picture, about info or last seen, but before it was available, that means you might have been blocked. Likewise, you can also try calling them. So click on this audio option or the video. If you see the option of calling instead of ringing, this means they have blocked you. Lastly, you can try to add them in a group. Launch any of the group chat, click on the username, then scroll and click on the option add members. Now search for the username. After the name pop up, click on it. If it says could not add participant, it means they have blocked you, and that's it. These are some ways to know if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.